Good morning. In this lecture, angle decor and angle alignment telescope have to be studied. Angle decor. Angle decor is a type of autocollimator extremely useful for a wide variety of short range angular measurements. Okay, it is very much similar to the autocollimator. It works on the same principle of autocollimator. There is an illuminated scale in the autocollimator. There is an illuminated scale. We will see the next diagram. So there is an illuminated scale. Okay, it is a horizontal scale similar to this scale. Okay, so you can see in the next diagram. So it is like a scale, illuminated scale. Okay, there is a horizontal scale. This is a monochromatic light source, and this is a prism. The light passes through the prism, and it takes the image of the illuminated scale. Okay, the light takes the image of the illuminated scale, and it goes to the collimating objective lens, and it enters a workpiece or reflector. Okay, it enters a workpiece or reflector, and it is reflected back, and again it is passes through the collimating lens, and it reaches the screen, glass screen. Okay, it reaches a glass screen, and the image is 90-degree rotated. Okay, here the image is 90-degree rotated. The microscopic eyepiece contains such horizontal readings. Okay, such a horizontal reading shown like this in this diagram. It has a horizontal reading, whereas the horizontal image of the illuminated scale is rotated by 90-degree. Okay, it is rotated by 90-degree. Okay, and the final image is like this. Okay, final image is like this, and this image and the distance from the particular reading will be taken as the measure of the angular displacement. Okay, angle, it is a measure of the angle. It can measure an accuracy of up to 1 minute. Okay, I'll explain one more time. So it's a monochromatic light source. This is a prism. It is an illuminated scale. Okay, it is a horizontal scale. A horizontal scale is available. Okay, illuminated scale engraved on glass screen. Okay, on the glass screen a scale is engraved, and it carries a image of the light beam, carries a image of the scale, horizontal scale, and while passing through the collimating lens, and it is reflected on the workpiece or on the reflector, and it is reflected back, and due to this arrangement it is reflected to the horizontal scale image is reflected to 90-degree. Okay, it is rotated to 90-degree. Okay, rotated to 90-degree, and the eyepiece, the readings are coming. That is one scale. The scale is rotated to 90-degree. So this is a eyepiece. Okay, the eyepiece, there is a horizontal scale. It has a fixed horizontal scale, fixed or datum scale on the eyepiece, and this is a reflected image on the horizontal scale on the eyepiece. So this vertical image is a reflected image, and it directly gives a reading of the angular displacement. This is the working principle of autocollimator. Okay, this is a micropiece datum scale, and it is a reflected image, and it measures the intersection of the two scales gives readings of the angular displacement. Okay, it is also shown in the slide is shown here. Okay, this is a working principle of angle decor. Okay, so zero reading with angle gauge build up, and reading with component in position. Okay, so initial position, and error is 20 minutes. Okay, error is 20 minutes. It gives a reading. Then the next topic, angle alignment telescope. In the angle alignment telescope, it is used to align boreholes and used to align the bearings. Okay, there is a reticle cover, and this reticle cover is removed, and the eyepiece is fitted to the reticle adjusting screw and to this arrangement, and by adjusting the reticle adjusting screws, it is focused, angle alignment telescope is focused to a particular distance using also the focusing knobs. It is focused to a particular distance and to align a particular object, and it is aligned, the particular object is aligned using this arrangement. Okay, this is also the diagram of alignment telescope. This is also the diagram of alignment telescope. Okay, thank you.